I receive a notification that says, "Congratulations, your channel has been accepted into YouTube Partner Program." Yes! And at that moment, I was feeling like ecstatic. Because that only means that my channel will start earning, right? And I can put some advertisements in all of my videos. So hi guys, this video is going to show you a step-by-step tutorial once you receive an email from the YouTube that your channel is already eligible for the channel monetization. So first thing you need to do is go to your YouTube studio. After getting there, you need to find the tiny dollar sign at the left part and you just have to click that one. After clicking that one, it will automatically redirect you to this page. So as you can see, YouTube has two requirements before you can apply for the channel monetization. First, you need to have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. In my case, I've already met the requirements, and so that glorious blue button right at the middle will show up that says apply now. So next thing you need to do is just click apply now, and it will surely bring you to this page. And here you go. Now in this page, it has 3 steps to complete. For the first step, which is review partner program terms, basically what's in here is the agreement that makes it possible for you to earn money. Yeah, so if you see the word start in blue color, click it right away and it will redirect you to this page. Yep, so in this page, I just want to highlight the part right there that says change country or territory. Since I'm here in Canada, I already set the location into Canada. Yeah. And after setting it, you just have to go over and read the program terms carefully for you to understand it well. After reading it all, if you see those 2 tiny boxes at the bottom part of it, you just have to click each boxes. Alright, and the other one. And you should see the accept terms. What you need to do, click it right away and it will bring you back to this page. You just have to wait a little bit for the step 1 to be done. Ta-da! It's already done. Let's now proceed with the second step, which is sign up for Google AdSense. In this step, you need to create a new Google AdSense account if you don't have one. But if you do, just link your AdSense Google account directly to your channel. Once you click start, this box pops out instantly, which asks you if you already have an existing Google AdSense account. Like I said earlier, I still don't have one, so if I'm going to click that roll down tab right there, it will show you 3 options and I will choose no, I don't have an existing account. After choosing that one, you just have to click continue. And it should bring you to this sign in page. So basically what you need to do here is just type in all your login informations. But I have to skip this part because it's too confidential. And once you're logged in, it will bring you to this page again. And if you can see get more out of AdSense, it has 2 options. What you need to choose is yes, send me customized help and performance suggestions. Alright. Next step is to select your country or territory again. I'm here in Canada, so I'm choosing Canada as the location again. Alright, and after that, you just have to scroll down and next thing you would do is review and accept our terms and conditions. And when you're done reading all the terms and conditions, we'll just scroll down at the bottom and tick the tiny box that says, yes, I have read and accept the agreement. After ticking that one, you just have to click create account. And boom, it will bring you to this new page. Alright. In this page, if you guys can see it at the upper part, it says payment address details. So this is where you need to provide your correct address. So let's begin. Under the customer info, you can see the word account type, and when you click that one, you need to choose individual. Alright. And next would be name and address. As you can see, guys, Master JJ is the name of my YouTube channel. But I need to provide my correct details. So that means I need to type my full name. Once you're done typing your full name, you just have to scroll down. And as you can see it now, guys, there's address line 2, town or city, province, and postcode. So they also need those details to be filled up by you. And it should be all correct. Once you're done, then you just have to click submit. After clicking submit, it will then bring you back to this page. You just have to wait for a little bit before the step 2 shows that it is already in progress. Take note, guys, it is not done yet. It's in progress. And we have come to the last step in applying for your channel monetization. As you can see it, guys, step 3 shows not started. So don't worry, guys, because in this part, YouTube will be taking the part in reviewing your channel. So hi guys, sorry that I didn't manage to screen record on how the step 2 in applying for channel monetization went, but probably I'm just gonna discuss it to you now. So first, if you guys remember, when I'm done providing all my personal details in step 2 and click the submit button, instead of showing that step 2 is done, it shows in progress, right? So some YouTuber says that for the step 2 to be done, it will take for like a couple of hours. However, in my case, I did check it the next day. So when I go over and see it, step 2 was already done. But step 3 is still in progress. So like I said, it's not us, or I mean it's not me who's gonna complete that last step, but it's the YouTube who's gonna take part in reviewing your channel, right? So for the step 3 to be done, it just took me like 2 days of waiting. And after that 2 days, a notification was like, I received a notification that says, congratulations, your channel has been accepted into YouTube Partner Program. Yes! And at that moment, I was feeling like ecstatic, because that only means that my channel will start earning, right? And I can put some advertisements in all of my videos. So yeah, and I think that's the end of it now. I hope you find this video helpful or informative enough. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and of course hit the tiny bell right next to the subscribe button. And don't forget also to give all my videos a big fat thumbs up and share as well. And yeah, this has been Master JJ saying bye bye for now. I'll see you guys in a bit. Bye.